Hi guys, this is Jude from 𝐬𝐿𝐼. In this quick tutorial, I'll be demonstrating 3 possible ways to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 depending on what edition of Windows you have running, whether Home or Pro edition. Normally with Bitdefender, you should be able to do this fairly easily, but if you don't have that, then you can use any of these methods to do the same. Now there are several reasons why you may want to disable your Windows Defender from time to time. It could be for the installation of certain applications that would otherwise be blocked by the Defender. It could be to prevent the deleting of certain files or folders that would otherwise be deleted by the Defender automatically. Whatever the reason might be, one of these methods should be able to get you going. This tutorial is brought to you by spyzie. spyzie is a professional parental control and phone monitoring application that works across all Android and iOS platforms. It's mainly designed to monitor the activities that minors engage in on their phones, both online and offline. As a parent, do you have an underage child or a ward you want to provide access to a mobile phone or tablet and still be able to fully monitor their social activities? I'm talking about being able to monitor their text messages, social media messages, location tracking, call logs, timelines, photos, apps, browsing history, and a bunch of other monitoring functions. Then you need to check out spyzie. Setting up spyzie is quite an easy process. You just need to register a spyzie account, connect with a target device, and start monitoring. Now, not only are you able to monitor your child's online and offline activities, spyzie is also able to send you automatic alerts from abnormal actions and activities, as well as screenshots of the monitored device. This will certainly go a long way in keeping your underage dependents away from the harmful contents on the internet. Location tracking is also one of the key features of spyzie, so you can also monitor the location of your elderly ones or spouse or just about anyone that gives you the authorization to do so. I will leave more information about spyzie, including download links down the video description, so do check it out. And with that said, let's go ahead and see the different ways to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. Okay, so let's begin with the easiest of the 3 methods, and that is through the Windows settings. This method will work for both Home and Pro editions of Windows 10. So for that, go to your Windows search and type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security settings from the search results. Now I'm doing this on the 1903 build. If you are running older builds of Windows 10 like 1809, then you should search for Windows Defender settings instead. Pretty much the same thing. In any case, you will have a page like this pop up. Here under Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. And under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. And then here you can flip all these switches to turn off real-time protection, cloud protections, and any other protections. With that, if all you want to do is to install an app or run certain processes, then this should suffice. Afterwards, you can go ahead and turn these protections back on to avoid leaving your device vulnerable to various attacks. Now, by default, Windows will turn the real-time protection back on after some time. So if you want a more permanent approach to turning off your Windows Defender, then you can proceed with the second or third method. The second approach is through the group policy management. As you might know, the group policy management feature is available only on the Pro, Enterprise, and Education edition of Windows 10. If you are using Home edition, you won't be able to use this approach. So if you are on the Pro or any of the other 2 editions, go to your Windows search and type Group Policy. Then click on Edit Group Policy from the search results. In the Group Policy editor, under Computer Configuration, double-click on Administrative Templates. And then to the right, you would find a folder named Windows Components. Double-click to expand it. Then scroll down and search for where you have the folder Windows Defender Antivirus. Also double-click on that. And here you should find this configuration file that says turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. Double-click to open it up. As you can see, by default, this is not configured, so here you need to set it to enable in order to turn off the Windows Defender. Hit apply, and then OK. And that should immediately disable your Windows Defender. Again, you can come back here to turn this back on whenever you want. The final approach for this tutorial is through the Registry editor. Now, this is equally applicable for all editions of Windows 10. For that, go to your Windows search and type regedit. Click on the Registry editor from the search results. Hit yes on the user account control. In the Registry editor, You want to first back up your settings. To do that, simply select your computer folder, then go to File and select Export. Set a preferred name. Here I'll name mine as Reg Backup and then hit Enter. It's really that easy. Then next you want to go to the folder 𝐻Key local machine and double click to expand it. Then expand the software folder underneath. Go down to Policies, then Microsoft, and under that you will find Windows Defender. Now with that selected, right click on the right side of the page, point to New, and then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Here rename this as Disable Anti-Spyware as shown on the screen. Double click to open it up and then change the value data to 1. Hit OK and close the window. Now you should restart your PC and you should have your Windows Defender disabled upon restarting. Now remember, you can always go back to any of these settings to re-enable your Defender again. And that is it for this tutorial. Again, this video was brought to you by spyzie. Links to download and try out the app will be in the description section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Share with anyone you think might want to see. Drop us a comment if you have any questions or feedbacks. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for updates on future tech support videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.